There's a couple other players out there today that are doing something similar. But the thing that we noticed when we were judging was there were some nuances, some added services that you guys provide. Can you just talk a little bit more, just hit the high points of what you think? And you kind of talked about them in your opening speech, but just nail them down because there's some interest there for me on what those extras are.
Yeah, absolutely. Great question again. So there are, of course, some players which have come up in the past few quarters, which are primarily addressing the financial reconciliation and the dispute part. But where we come into the picture, we are a full stack solution for a restaurant operator to manage and grow their third-party business profitably. So we cover all the facets, all the touch points, as to how you do business on these third parties, right? As I said, we cover reviews and your reputation. We cover your customer journey. Your marketing team can gain a lot of insights as to how much they're spending and how much they're getting back. Your operational data, right? We tell you what are the primary reasons why the customers are complaining. So everything in like a single screen is what our vision is when it comes to third party.